There's something different about life near the Delaware Bay. Maybe it's the slower pace, the quiet streets, the sound of bikes rolling down the block on a summer evening, or the way kids still grow up chasing sunsets, walking to the beach, and fishing with friends until the streetlights come on. And here in North Cape May, you get all of that. Just minutes from the Cape May Lighthouse, Sunset Beach, the ferry terminal, and the charm of historic Cape May, this is the kind of place where shore memories are still made the old-fashioned way. This is the kind of neighborhood that brings people back to simpler summers, where kids still ride bikes to the beach, where neighbors wave from their front porch, and where a quick evening walk can turn into one of those unforgettable Delaware Bay sunsets. And while the beach is close enough to walk or take a quick bike ride, you're also tucked away from the crowds and congestion of the barrier islands. Welcome to 1400 Franklin Avenue, right here in North Cape May. This 3-bedroom, 1.5-bath split-level home sits on a large corner lot and is just 4 blocks from the Delaware Bay beaches. But what makes this property really special is how it blends traditional neighborhood living with the relaxed coastal lifestyle people are searching for here at the Jersey Shore. Let me show you around. Inside, the home offers over 1,700 square feet of comfortable living space with a layout designed for both everyday living and relaxed shore weekends. The split-level design creates a natural separation between gathering spaces and private retreats, while the large windows bring in beautiful natural light throughout the home. The living room centers around a wood-burning fireplace, creating a warm and inviting space during the cooler months. And the open connection between the kitchen and dining area makes entertaining family and friends feel effortless. Then there's the backyard. This is where the property truly transforms into a shore retreat. The expansive deck overlooks the pool area and creates the perfect setting for summer gatherings, barbecues, and relaxing evenings after a day at the beach. Whether you're hosting family for the weekend or simply enjoying a quiet night outside, the outdoor living space here feels private, comfortable, and built for making memories. One of my favorite features of this property is this separate 2-story pool house. Downstairs you have excellent storage for beach gear, bikes, fishing equipment, and pool supplies. But upstairs, this space opens up a ton of possibilities. Game room, teen hangout, adult retreat, creative studio, home office, movie room. It's flexible space like this that adds real lifestyle value to the property, especially this close to the shore. Some homes are simply places to live, and some become part of your family's story. The beach days, the bike rides, the late summer nights by the pool, the sunsets over the Delaware Bay. 1400 Franklin Avenue offers something increasingly hard to find at the Jersey Shore, a true neighborhood home with room to gather, room to relax, and easy access to one of the most peaceful coastal lifestyles in New Jersey. If you've been searching for that balance between neighborhood living and shore lifestyle, you'll feel right at home here in North Cape May. And years from now, the memories made here will still be the ones your family talks about, from the suburbs to the shore.